My OCD is getting the best of me. See the slightly erased paint on the start stop text on this button? It's bothering me a lot, especially at night. So let's see if we can remedy this. Hello and welcome to the channel. As I mentioned on the intro, the slight imperfection on the start stop button on the font is bothering me a lot because you see it every day when you're looking at it. It's right in front of you. So I bought a few different replacements from AliExpress and here they are. Now, fair warning, make sure that you order the correct one because here's a good sample of me not checking the serial number or the part number for the replacement and I ordered the wrong one. This one is not shallow or not deep, and this is the wrong replacement for this, although it's the same size. I'll show you later why. And a fair warning on buying from AliExpress. It depends on who packs them or who you buys it from. Sometimes they have good packaging, sometimes they're just flimsy in packaging. Like this one, you put it in some packaging like this and it's just in a plastic bag, whereas this one is packaged nicely. Let's open it right now, and it comes with a clay bar that you can use to pull out the start stop button on your vehicle. See how good this is packaged versus this one. And for this BMW i8, you need one that is deep. I'll show you why in a minute. Now, instead of using the clay bar to pull the start stop button, I have a suction tool that comes with my tool set that I can use. All you have to do is put it over the button, create a little suction, and pull it straight out. There you go. So that's how you pull it out. Now let's try this one first. This is a red button, complete full red. And we'll put it in. You just align the back on the bottom seat. Right, I didn't press it all the way in because I was pointing it out. And there you go. Looks nice. And as you can see, it's not erased around the font versus this one. I don't know if it shows well, but it's slightly erased versus this one is all intact. Only annoying thing is it says engine. This doesn't have engine on the bottom. So that's the first one. Let's try the next one. So with the suction tool that I have, you just push it in. Oh, I didn't lock it in place, so it was easier to take out. Now let's try this black button with a red outline. So slide it in the position, then press in so it locks in place. It's okay. It has a somewhat 3D background on it. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it has some hologram at the back. Surprisingly, I think I like the red button better. All right, so let's put back the red button. So if it doesn't want to pull out, just try. Oh no, it won't go out. All right, let's try the clay bar. Since we have it, we can use this to pull out the button. Okay, clay bar, just put on the button. It's very sticky. I guess spread it around so it sticks better. And now let's try to pull it out. It won't pull out. Interesting. Okay, we'll just use the suction tool again. There you go. Okay, so we'll put back the red button that I prefer. Okay, just press it in and it's in. And that is how to replace the start stop button on this BMW i8. And this procedure applies to all BMWs with the same or similar start stop button. This has been another episode of How to Helen, and thank you for watching. My OCD is getting the best of me. See the partially erased areas of the start stop sign text writing, start stop writing on the bottom? It's bothering me a lot. See the slightly erased paint on the start stop text? See the slightly erased part on the peeled erased paint? Hello and welcome to the channel. Now, fair warning, I'm from AliExpress. As mentioned on the intro, the slight peel off. Perfect. Hello and welcome to the channel. The partial, the slight imperfection.